Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create a professional price list using Canva completely for free. Let's dive right in. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. In the main search bar at the top, type price list and hit enter. You will immediately see thousands of high-quality templates. Take a moment to scroll through and find a design that fits your brand. Once you find the perfect one, click on it and then select Customize this template. Now you are in the editor. Editing is completely intuitive. Simply double-click on any text box to change the titles, update your specific services, and adjust the pricing. You can drag any text or design element to reposition it. If there are sections you don't need, just click them and press delete. Feel free to also change the fonts and colors to match your business identity. Once your price list looks exactly how you want it, it's time to save or share it. Go up to the top right corner and click the Share button. To save the file to your computer, click Download. Choose PNG or JPEG if you want an image to post on your social media or website. If you plan to print physical copies, select PDF print for the best quality and hit Download. Alternatively, if you want to send a digital link directly to a client, click Share. Change the collaboration access to anyone with the link and make sure it is set to Can View. Then just copy the link and that's it. A fast, simple way to create a professional price list. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.